Inna a'tainaka al-Kawthar. We've given you the greatest, the most abundant good.
So right now, every one of you must say, I want to go to Jannah, I want to go to paradise. When I die, I want Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to be pleased with me. All of you, I'm sure, are saying that. If you're not, you should. That right now, the most important thing is that you die a Muslim. Yes. There's nothing more important than that. I have 9 children. Imam, Allah is my witness. If my children become doctors, I'll be very happy. Or scientists, I would be very happy. But I don't want them to become doctors and scientists and lose their deen. I'd rather them to sweep the streets of New York City and die as a Muslim than to become doctor and then die as a disbeliever. I swear by Allah. You want to make me happy as the father? Be a Muslim. Just be a Muslim. Wake up every day and thank Allah for giving you life. Every breath that you have, thank Allah for that. Thank Allah for everything that it gave you. Gave you a wife, then you be thankful for that. There's people who don't have a wife. 2 blocks from the masjid, there's a homeless shelter. People live there, have no home. You got a home? You don't appreciate your home, it's too small? Thank Allah that you got a home. I've seen people in very bad condition. So be a thankful servant that whatever Allah gives you, but wallahi, I swear by Allah, if I had nothing, had no money, and homeless in a homeless shelter, or living in the street, or living in a park, I have everything because I'm Muslim. And if I can die Muslim, then I'm a happy man. And even though I may have nothing in this life, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter as long as I have Islam. And if I have everything in this world and have no Islam, I have nothing.